Today we are making a potato and cheese calzone. We have pizza dough and mashed potatoes. We also have butter, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, granulated garlic, salt, all-purpose seasoning, and a family secret. Oh, and also shredded cheddar cheese. First, roll your dough till flat. Next, season your potatoes and add dough, cheese and potatoes to a tray. Make sure you oil your tray before you put your food on there. Then put in oven at 350 for approximately 20 minutes. Look at how good it looks. We hope you enjoy.